Today, I am reviewing Skytech Azure Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a serious gamer, content creator, or someone who simply demands top-tier performance from your desktop, the Skytech Azure Gaming PC is engineered to exceed expectations. This powerhouse gaming rig combines the latest AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor with the NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card, delivering an unmatched combination of speed, efficiency, and graphical fidelity. At the heart of the Skytech Azure is the Ryzen 7 9700X, boasting a base clock of 3.8 GHz and a turbo boost up to 5.5 GHz. This 8-core, 16-thread processor ensures smooth multitasking, allowing you to stream, game, and create content simultaneously without experiencing lag. Paired with 16 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 MHz, this system handles memory-intensive applications effortlessly, whether it's editing high-resolution videos, running multiple virtual machines, or opening dozens of browser tabs while gaming. When it comes to gaming performance, the NVIDIA RTX 4060 8GB GDDR6 graphics card elevates your experience to the next level. Supporting real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics, it allows you to play modern AAA titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Elden Ring, and Cyberpunk 2077 at ultra settings in full HD 1080p with consistent frame rates exceeding 60 FPS. Even competitive esports titles such as Valorant, League of Legends, Counter-Strike 2, and Rocket League run buttery smooth, giving you the responsiveness you need to stay ahead of the competition. The Skytech Azure also prioritizes thermal efficiency and quiet operation. Its 360mm all-in-one ARGB liquid cooler keeps your CPU temperatures in check, ensuring peak performance without thermal throttling. Combined with the stylish Skytech Azure case featuring tempered glass panels and ARGB fans, it's not just a high-performing PC, but also a visually striking centerpiece for your setup. Storage and connectivity are equally impressive. The 1TB NVMe SSD provides blazing fast load times for your games and software, making booting Windows 11 Home, launching applications, and transferring files incredibly quick. For connectivity, you get a full array of ports including HDMI, DisplayPort, multiple USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 ports, plus Wi-Fi support for reliable online gameplay and streaming. A free gaming keyboard and mouse are included, making this a complete plug-and-play solution. Skytech has built this system with gamers in mind, offering high reliability, premium build quality, and lifetime technical support. Whether you're exploring massive open-world environments, engaging in high-paced online battles, or working on demanding creative projects, the Azure delivers a seamless experience with no compromises. Its price-to-performance ratio is among the best in its class, offering high-end components without breaking the bank. In short, the Skytech Azure Gaming PC is a meticulously crafted machine that balances raw power, advanced graphics capabilities, and sleek aesthetics. From ultra-smooth gaming to demanding professional workloads, it's designed to handle it all. If you're looking for a desktop that can meet the needs of both modern gaming and creative productivity while ensuring reliability and future-proof performance, the Skytech Azure is an excellent choice. With its combination of AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, NVIDIA RTX 4060, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD, and 360mm ARGB liquid cooling, you're getting a desktop that not only performs flawlessly today, but will continue to deliver for years to come. Whether you're building your ultimate gaming setup or upgrading from an older system, the Skytech Azure is designed to make your computing experience faster, smoother, and more immersive than ever.